Hello everyone, it's BMNR, your trusted money coach, and today I'm launching something totally new. You've seen me launch the Bitcoin challenge, and now it's time to kick off the Ethereum challenge. So what is the Ethereum challenge? This is where I invest $100 into Ethereum every first Friday of the month for the next 5 years. Nothing fancy, nothing complicated. All I'm trying to do is to show you the power of investing and dollar cost averaging over time. Wherever you're watching me from, whether you're watching from Canada or the US, Australia, Nigeria, Ghana, Switzerland, whatever nation you're watching from, I'm inviting you to participate and tag along and learn. Whatever I'm going to be sharing in this challenge should not be taken as investment or financial advice. This is just my own personal investing strategy. I'm only showing you the power of investing. I invite you to follow along, learn, and also participate if you choose to. Let me know how much are you investing and where are you investing from? Let me know in the comment area below. So, why Ethereum? Bitcoin is digital gold, while Ethereum is the digital infrastructure. Ethereum powers smart contracts, NFTs, decentralized finance or DeFi, and even the entire crypto ecosystem. This isn't just about a coin, it's about investing in the future of finance and the internet. Again, whatever I'm sharing here should not be taken as investment or financial advice. I'm only sharing with you my goal for the next 5 years of investing $100 into Ethereum every first Friday of the month, irrespective of the performance of the market in the short term. Why am I taking this approach? This is simply called dollar cost averaging. What is dollar cost averaging? Dollar cost averaging is where you invest a fixed amount into an asset over a long period of time, irrespective of the performance of the market. This takes away the emotions from investing. For me personally, I'm investing $100 into Ethereum for the next 5 years. Dollar cost averaging works irrespective of where you're watching me from. This doesn't just work here in Canada alone. This is a universal investing strategy, meaning that I invest a fixed amount into an asset over a long period of time. This allows me to remove the emotion or just ignore the emotions and any market volatility. Over the past few years, we've seen major corporations add Bitcoin to their balance sheet. And if you look at the performance of the stock, when each of these companies pivoted into Bitcoin, their stocks have already skyrocketed. It has gone parabolic. For example, if you look at MicroStrategy or MetaPlanet or Mara, if you look at the performance of those stocks for the past 5 years, they've gone up even more than the underlying asset. So why am I doing this for Ethereum? This is because large institutions are going to start putting Ethereum on their balance sheet. The same way we saw that happen for MicroStrategy, the same thing is happening for Ethereum. This is a signal that this asset is here to stay. This is an asset that is here to stay for the long term. This is a signal that I pay attention to. The same thing happened for Bitcoin. The same thing is happening for Ethereum. Am I only going to buy the underlying asset, which is Ethereum? No, I'm also going to buy the stocks that have exposure to Ethereum. But for this challenge, I'm only buying Ethereum, meaning that I'm only investing $100 into Ethereum for the next 5 years, and let's see how that is going to perform. Okay? Nothing fancy, nothing complicated. I'm only sharing with you why am I investing in Ethereum too. I'm studying the time. I'm here. I'm saying that major institutions are going to start adding Ethereum on their balance sheet, and this literally solidifies the utility for Ethereum. Again, this is going to power a lot of smart applications, and this has a broad implication not just in the crypto space, but also in the traditional finance space. Again, I don't want to make this too complicated. All I'm just saying is that I'm going to be investing $100 into Ethereum for the next 5 years every first Friday of the month. And I want you to tag along if you believe in this. Again, this is no financial advice. Remember, the goal of this challenge is just to demonstrate the power of investing, the power of dollar cost averaging, meaning that I'm not trading in and out of Ethereum. I'm only buying this consistently every first Friday of the month, and we're going to see our progress over the next 5 years. So now here's something important I need to share. Initially, I used Wealthsimple for the Bitcoin purchase, but for today, I'm not going to be using Wealthsimple. And this is a shout out to Callum, one of the amazing supporters of this channel, that left me this comment saying that a 2% transaction fee from Wealthsimple, this is awful. And truly, that hit home for me. I had to reconsider because yes, if we are long-term investors, paying 2% every time I make a purchase of either Bitcoin or Ethereum, that is going to eat into my portfolio growth. So today, I'm not going to be using Wealthsimple. I'm going to be using NDAX. So if you want to follow along, I'm going to leave the link in the description area below. NDAX is one of the top Canadian crypto exchanges. So whether you're using NDAX or whatever crypto exchange that you want to use, depending on the country that you're watching me from, again, the goal is just for me to demonstrate the power of investing over a long period of time using dollar cost averaging strategy. Okay? Again, today, I'm not going to be using Wealthsimple. I'm going to be using NDAX because of the transaction fee. The transaction fee on Wealthsimple is 2%, but the transaction fee on NDAX is 0.2%, which is really, really amazing. Here's what I'm doing today. I'm going to be investing $100 into Ethereum every first Friday of the month for the next 5 years. I'm also going to walk you through how I'm going to buy Ethereum on NDAX. And if you don't have an NDAX account, I'm going to leave the link in the description area below, or you can use any crypto exchange of your preference. Whether you're investing $20 or 200 euros or 2,000 naira or $20,000, it doesn't really matter. The goal is to do this consistently for the next 5 years. What country are you investing from? How much are you investing, and what platform are you using? Let me know in the comment area below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with your friend, and leave me a comment below. Okay, so let's dive in. NDAX is the platform I'm going to be using to buy Ethereum. NDAX is one of the top Canadian crypto exchanges, and this is how their platform looks like. I've been using NDAX for the past 5 years. Very, very reliable. It's one of the best platforms. The transaction fee is only 0.2%, which is way much better than what Wealthsimple is offering for 2%. Okay, so now I'm going to log into my NDAX account, and I'm just going to click on my wallet. Here you can see my dashboard. And if you like to use my referral link to open an NDAX account, you can use it right here. I'm also going to leave it in the description area below. So then I'm going to click on my wallet right here at the upper left. And here under my wallet, you can see that I have some Bitcoin, which I'm going to be using this for both the Bitcoin and the Ethereum challenge. So you can see here that I have some Bitcoin here. But under the cash, you can see that I have $100 Canadian right here. So this is what I'm going to be using to then buy Ethereum today. Remember, I'm going to be investing $100 Canadian into Ethereum for the next 5 years, every first Friday of the month. So I'm going to go back to my dashboard, and the easiest way to just do this will be to just click here and search for Ethereum. So that's ETH. So I'm going to be investing $100 into Ethereum. Okay, so when I click on this, then I'm just going to click on max, and right here it's telling me that I'm going to be using $100 to buy Ethereum. So I'm just going to make this a round figure, $100, and this is going to give me this value of Ethereum. Okay, this is going to give me this value of Ethereum. So once I click on buy, and that's it, we can either buy through this portal here, or you can also use the advanced trading button, but you necessarily don't have to do that. It's a little bit more overwhelming for beginners, but for simplicity, I'm just going to use this because it's much easier. Again, I'm just buying $100 worth of Ethereum, and this is what it's going to give me. Then I click on buy. And here the confirmation page is just here, meaning that I'm buying it right away using the market order. This is the quantity of Ethereum I'm going to get. This is the current price of Ethereum in Canadian dollars. I'm going to be investing $100 here, and these are the fees right here. And this is a quantity of Ethereum I'm going to get. And I'm just going to click on confirm. And that's it. I just bought $100 worth of Ethereum. So that's all that you need to know. Again, I just invested $100 into Ethereum. And I'm going to see how this is going to pan out for the next 5 years. So let me know, how much are you investing? How much are you putting into Ethereum? What country are you watching from? And also let me know, what crypto exchange are you using? If you have any question, let me know. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, like, share, and also leave me a comment. Don't forget to subscribe and also share this with your friend. Until then, I'm BMNR, your trusted money coach, and I teach you how to make your money work for you. May the market be in our favor. And for those of you that wants to check out more resources, you can see that on the screen. Check out some resources on my website. I'll see you in the next video.